don't know if you can see, but it's snowing in Arizona. There we go, got some contrast in the trees. Snow. I'm just videoing this background here, it's so cool. They look so small, but those are like 40 feet each. We are at Fremont Saddle. It's snowing again. Can you see that? You can't see the snow on the video. There it is.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah.
I was like, take the pic.
Check out this burnt tree. Oh, there's a big fire that came through a couple years back. Got some new growth going on. Some snow accumulating on the ground. Coming through. Dude. That's the goal. Hiker's log, 317. He died today of frozen death in the snow. And the superstitions. Everything's burnt around us. No vegetation to burn. Okay, let's see. That's where we started. Go down here, zigzag, 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 all the way down. All the way down there. And we start to go up here. Zigzag, 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 zigzag. All right, we are in the middle of this crack. You can't really see.
We got 550 paracord tied to the drone so that we can hook the light rope up, get it on an anchor, and then put a climbing rope on for a top belay. We can't trust this other rope. Other people left it. It looks like it's just wedged. The 550 cord.
This is a bad idea. The rocks are wet because of the snow. We've got tennis shoes, no rock climbing shoes, so we're attempting this drone rescue.
Trying to get it to him.
If we can get this 550 cord close enough to him, he should be able to pull up the rope and rappel down.
The wind kicks up to this canyon crack there.
Ah! The obstacle avoidance won't get close enough.
Oh yeah, let it go a long time ago. You told me let it go, and I didn't have much left anyway.
The wind, it keeps grabbing it.
Yeah, that's where the green and red are. Front and back, right?
You're losing it. Oh no, I think it's caught on some. Try and yank it loose here. Come on. It is just out of control. It's like, I think the cord must be like, dang it. The cord is like not allowing it to spin or something. Oh wait, It is caught on. Yeah, it's caught on something. I see it. It's on that bush. I need to jerk it loose. If this gets stuck, if we can't get this out of here, I don't know how many it's gonna get down. Oh my goodness! I did not think this through. I should have just tied it up so it wasn't dangling. Okay, yank it good this time. Getting some speed in. That's the work. Okay, let's try up. Nope. Wind grabs it if you go too high.
Alright, I'm gonna turn this off in case I gotta catch a drone.
I can't see it. I don't know. I'm good. Dang it. No. That's that. Hedwig is down. I have no idea where that ended up. Hopefully we'll be able to find it. Maybe. So the plan was for me to solo the cliff and find a rope or a tree branch or find something useful to do. But before I even got my remote for my drone put away, Nate had just went for it, and he said later that he didn't want me risking my life. I've got 4 boys at home. That's a good brother-in-law.
When I gave you all my weight, was it hard at all?
No. Okay. Don't go yet. I'm not on belay. So, Jared, tell me about that experience.
What?
Tell me what just happened.
Oh, dude, I was like hanging on the edge of the rock with nothing. It's crazy.
I got you, though.
Yeah, you got me. I swung around. I was over there. Anyway, okay.
Hold on, I'm not ready yet.
Jason's got me on belay. I just came up this. That was the sketchiest thing I've done in a lot of years.
We made it. Where'd we come from? Right there. That's a saddle. We came behind that. And like Nate said, we're making a reflection video. Reflection is, I'm gonna be tempted to do this again sometime. Don't do it. It's not worth it. I mean, it's pretty awesome. But oh my goodness. So this is the top. It's not very big. It's probably a couple 100 feet long. There's a little half wall right there. Little ammo can down there you can sign our names in. Mama. So I'll have to show you the drone video, but I was going to do a nice real estate video, talk about something, but my mind's not working right now. I don't know what I would even talk about. Perseverance or some crap like that. Holy cow. Very rewarding, but now we have to go down, and down is usually sketchier than going up. We've got a couple of nice belays that we can do. Here's those ammo cans. Let's see what's in them. So I think we're supposed to leave something in this box. All right, I'm at the top of the world here. Let's talk a little bit about foreclosures. Just kidding. I'm not gonna spend my time up here talking about foreclosures. I'll do this when I get down. So it's kind of crazy. I don't want to go down yet. It's so nice up here. We've got to get out of here. We've got, it's already like 5 o'clock and we've got like a 6-hour hike ahead of us. We got to get down to this friggin' spire. It's gonna take us a couple hours to get down. Man, I don't know. We're rappelling, so we're rappelling a couple of the big sections, so that should be pretty quick. But it's sketchier than I remember. I've done this 5 times now, 4 times. And this was definitely one to remember. Probably won't be doing this one again. But Jared's up there. I think he's taking a sweet time reveling in the top. He just belayed down. He just repelled down. So, whew, my drone. I'm so mad at my drone. I see the video, but my blades all broke off. Luckily, I found it at the top of the peak. But I wanted to get this epic shot of flying around in a big old circle around Weaver's Needle and be like, yeah! But alas. 2. You're going, dude. Yep. Oh, look at that bird.
She has hands straight out.
Oh, yeah.
So when he wants to stop, hey, show him how to stop. Just bring it right to your butt.
Okay. Yeah, wow. You make that look easy and fast. Good job, dude.
There's my shadow on the wall. The sun's going down. How awesome is that? Awesome. That's where we're coming from. Nice. Good chuck. Perfect. Went all the way down. So right after we got done rappelling down, the sun went down, and we only had 2 flashlights. One had 0 batteries, and so we walked closely together the several hours back to the car. Ended up getting back home around midnight. All in all, we are just happy to be home safe, and we are tired. Hopefully this was entertaining. We'll see you on the next video. And don't try this at home. We're professional morons.